Hi, in this short tutorial I will show you how to create and use your own sleep screen on your reMarkable 2. The sleep screen you see here is one I saw on Reddit a few days ago. I will link the post in the video description. First, we open the console and connect to the reMarkable via Secure Shell. You will find the IP and password on the reMarkable under Menus, Settings, Help, Copyright and Licenses at the bottom of the page. After entering the password correctly, the word Zero Sugar appears. Now you are connected to the reMarkable. All images that can be changed, such as the sleep screen, the restart screen and others, can be found under the directory User Share reMarkable. To customize the sleep screen, only the suspended.png is interesting for us. We then back up the original suspended file to our computer. To do this, we open a new console and enter the comment you can see on the screen. I will also put the comments in the description of this video. If everything has been done correctly, you will see that the file has been transferred after entering the password. In my case, it can be found under Downloads. Now we can finally create our own sleep screen. I use Photoshop for this, but it's also possible with other software such as GIMP, a free program. To begin with, I create a new file with my own settings. I choose the unit pixel and enter 1404 for the width and 1872 for the height. In other words, the dimensions of the reMarkable display. Now we can fill the sleep screen with life. I use a picture from the movie Arrival. I drag and drop the image onto the right sheet, adjust the size and center it. Then I use a backup of the suspended file. I open the image and create a screenshot of the lettering. I paste it into Photoshop and center it as well. Last but not least, I export the image. Here it is very important to export this as a .png file, as other formats do not work. I save the file to my downloads folder and give it a v2 at the end of the file name, so as not to overwrite the original file. Now I rename the backup file and delete the v2 I just added to my newly created sleep screen. If you renamed the backup file directly after copying it to your computer, you don't need to do this step. Now we have to copy our new sleep screen back to the reMarkable. To do this, we use a new console window and enter the SCP command shown. After entering the password, you can see again that the transfer has worked. Finally, we have to restart the reMarkable 2. After restarting, you can test the sleep screen by briefly pressing the on button once. It's important to know that after a software update of the reMarkable, any changes made to the images will be reset. After an update, you must repeat the steps shown in this video.